Congratulations to Rinara Ambulance Management. Philippines.
Ring nog Peter. Hang on.
Let's shout out loud for your team. Kami swear bagi pesat, bagi harap, bagi namin officials, bagi knowledge, bagi Meralborn manager, bagi Punlangbong physio. In the men in yellow we have Bobby L. Longvet, GL Simelim, Ayla Quinta, Pransky Singli, Johnny Lindo, Dr. Dakir Muria, Shan Roman Rodri, Richmond Dongrum, Ajay Teron, Pinkre Nokse, Lumlang Lindo, Alington Marak, Sinsha Lindo, Kulmen Shiba, Bantidor Lindo, Pius Marvin, Balajit Sindrem, Shakya Rodri, Hamlet Darling, Eugene Lindo, Don Sumer, Jay Lindo, Lamdok we have verses 11.
Ako trong katabi boy, baluso manay bigiro, yawon minister for the overall development and commitment to develop different sports activities and take the youth forward for each and every individual events, the skill that all the players, boys and girls, from B-boy district and the state as a whole. This shows the commitment that the NBA do. Since 2018, the NBA 1 and then now NBA 2 up to the present day. The government achievement compared with different activities, especially with sports. There are many projects that has come up. The projects, Kaibri projects, Army Shelter, Mini Stadium, Futsal, Basketball, Badminton Court, Indoor Stadiums, Athletic Tracks, Swimming, natural turf. Total together, kalau nag-i-thank you ng baro, ilakoy chispa, life brotherly, kita different types of, kita judge programs development, infrastructure, iba kesokan terhadap pantai na kata kuno ang ayat ikut sama ibaran lagi sa Philippines lagi dalam sports lagi dalam football lagi dalam basketball lagi dalam cricket lagi dalam hockey lagi dalam hockey indoor sports badminton table tennis badminton dan hari ini meski banyak memang ringkat Bati Paro Ililong Hadigusi dan Payusaki Ya kenika Jingli Pajak Ya Kafus Aku Contoh Aku Jom kenika Desik Aku Nongko Nasu Bandin Pau Dan Keisokmen Yang Kamoro Umdua Management Committee Kumla Tunso Berbau di Local MLA Bagi Rizkam Badai Lima Kajing Prestom Badai Lima Kata Kajing Relang Lima Kenika Management Committee Ringkat Pada Administration Ringkat pada Sports Department Ringkat pada Local Representative Jompi Bala pada Penurung Yang ini First Official Turf Football Turf Apa Jom Kenika District Hangin Nongko Kenika Jingdo GM Kaset Kapal Kesongkar Kalai Lagutan Jopi Ada ketika aset Keba Don Hari Apo Mauro Kumbuna Kalau Kejuntoy Nagutan Ibu Sama Jom Katami Hoi Kejungi Ibanai Kanami Kiski Ikut sama dengan kami boy, lalu kita yang disunang, ilahan penumpang dari hati kami yang kaya ibadah kata football.
Untuk yang kita kemarin menyopi dalam ini galeri dressing room kepada kami, bagi ini siap bahagia feel sama mengenai awal pen, sakit sitting galeri. Saya berkata sekalian semua menjadi bagian busuk Jerman PK Football hari ini cakap. Nama kata ketika Football ketika Departemen Batang Islam bersibuk hanya di PK Exhibition Match Football apa dengan Early 11 Batang Officers 11 ini saki ketika PK berbicara ini lagi yang dibuat berjalan Iparloh kami jumi, ibajilah kaya support, kumjur officer sendiri. Bernama nanti penolong, bagilah kaya penolong berjasa, apa yang menjadi hati tim. Bernama ini sempat, kamoro pemuda manajemen komiti, kening komiti kita berdiri kemudian komisioner komisioner, jangan kerana pasang di hati sambung dibayar Dia sesuai sekretari berkulit dikot dengan ahli terpasang pada sports law. Kita pilih ini bermanage yang kerja becong kenegaraan. Tentu mengerti kita langsung kiri ikai football begini perlukan kenegaraan. Kadang-kadang nak bertajam baik nak bertajam sport association berkedok ini berkedok nak bertajam training camp berkedok Academy berputar ke langsung kemen nilai slot bagi district sports officer ini ada negara menjadi penting berkuih dengan nasional negara begini bu ya Academy negara football ini kita negara nanti imigran bagaimana berkentiu bersama negara negara lalu kalau putih berputar ke bagi ini bagaimana ini positif, jumlah kita langsung kalau belum kalau ini sebenarnya kayak football.
The first artificial football turf in Rinpoche district, that is in Umbura. This day is a historic day because a world-class infrastructure is coming up in our district with the efforts of the government, of the local MLA, and of all the committee members of the Mauro Umuda Management Committee. I'd also like to congratulate the members of the committee, including our district sports officer, including the headman of both the Mauro and the Umuda villages, and all the other members with whose hard work we are seeing this infrastructure today. I'd also like to welcome our officials and the children and the students who have come here today. It is said that in a healthy body resides a healthy mind, and that's why having sports as part of your life is really very important. And football is a sport loved across Meghalaya, especially. We are going to have the national games also next year, and I am sure that this very playground will make sure that we will have some world-class participants participating in the national games as well as other tournaments that are going to take place. It is also very vital that we have good grassroots level infrastructure so as to make sure that our youth do not get misguided, especially in the negative way of drugs. As our Honorable Prime Minister has also recently addressed all the students across India, and we have to go for the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. And under that, we have to make sure that we are providing our children, our students, with the physical activities and the sports infrastructure so as to make sure that they do not get diverted towards the evils of drug abuse.